Dear respected friends, if you've been feeling weakness in your legs, difficulty walking, or struggling with balance, this video is made just for you. Today, we'll show you how a few simple dietary changes and easy daily habits can help you regain your strength, stability, and confidence, no matter your age. Take just a few minutes to watch, because these tips could truly change your life for the better. Why breakfast matters for seniors after 60. For many seniors, mornings start with just a cup of coffee, a piece of toast, or, sometimes, nothing at all. While this habit might have felt harmless for decades, after 60 it can silently accelerate muscle loss and balance problems, especially in the legs. Here's why. During sleep, your body is in a fasting state for 7 to 9 hours. Even while resting, your organs still need energy. When no food is available, your body taps into stored nutrients, and often begins breaking down muscle tissue for fuel. By the time you wake up, your muscles are already in a catabolic state, meaning they are breaking down faster than they are being repaired. If you don't refuel within the first hour of waking, that muscle loss continues. Over time, you may feel your legs getting weaker, slower, and less steady. Everyday tasks like standing, climbing stairs, or walking a few blocks start feeling harder, not just because of age, but because your muscles never got the nutrients they needed to recover. Adding to the problem is a natural change called anabolic resistance. After 60, the body doesn't respond to protein as efficiently as it used to. The small breakfast that kept you strong in your 30s no longer prevents muscle loss. To maintain strength and balance, seniors need specific, high-quality nutrients first thing in the morning, foods that are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. Start with eggs. The morning muscle saver. For years, eggs were unfairly blamed for raising cholesterol, leading many older adults to avoid them or throw away the yolks. But modern research shows that for most seniors, whole eggs are safe and incredibly beneficial for maintaining strong muscles, especially in the legs. Eggs are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids the body can't make on its own. One amino acid, leucine, is particularly important because it tells your body to stop breaking down muscle and start rebuilding it. After a night of fasting, your muscles are essentially waiting for leucine to trigger repair mode. As you age, your muscles become less sensitive to leucine, meaning you need more high-quality protein to achieve the same effect. Eating 1 or 2 whole eggs within the first hour of waking gives your body the jumpstart it needs to rebuild muscle. The yolk, often discarded, is full of essential nutrients, including vitamin D for muscle contractions and bone strength, vitamin B12 for healthy nerves and brain-muscle communication, choline for better coordination, iron to improve circulation, and stamina for best results. Cook eggs gently, boil, poach, or lightly scramble with a drizzle of olive oil. Avoid frying them in butter or pairing with processed meats like bacon or sausage, which add unhealthy fats and excess sodium. Balance protein with steady energy. Protein builds muscle, but you also need a steady source of energy to keep muscles functioning throughout the day. One of the best options? Oatmeal with chia seeds. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that slows carbohydrate absorption and keeps blood sugar levels stable. After an overnight fast, your body is sensitive to glucose, and if your blood sugar spikes then crashes, your muscles won't use protein efficiently for repair. Oats help create a stable environment for recovery. Adding chia seeds makes this simple meal a nutrient powerhouse. Many seniors are low in magnesium, which can lead to stiffness, cramps, and low energy. Chia seeds provide magnesium along with calcium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support nerve health. Chia seeds also absorb liquid and form a gel, which slows digestion, improves hydration, and enhances nutrient absorption, all especially beneficial for older adults. Just stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into warm oats and let them soak for a few minutes. For even more benefits, add a few banana slices for potassium or a handful of blueberries for antioxidants that protect muscles from oxidative stress. Fix cramps and weakness with potassium. Morning muscle cramps or sudden weakness are common among seniors, and a frequent culprit is low potassium. This mineral is essential for proper muscle contractions and nerve signaling. The quick fix? Eat a banana. A medium banana provides about 400 milligrams of potassium, roughly 10% of your daily needs, along with vitamin B6 for nerve function and prebiotic fiber for better nutrient absorption. For more stable energy, Pick a banana that's slightly green, and pair it with a protein source like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts to prevent blood sugar spikes. Greek yogurt, a double protein boost. Another excellent breakfast option is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, it's strained to remove extra liquid, making it thicker and richer in protein, often twice as much as regular yogurt. Greek yogurt provides two types of protein, casein, which digests slowly and delivers a steady stream of amino acids, whey, which digests quickly and is high in leucine for rapid muscle repair. It's also packed with calcium and vitamin D for strong muscles and bones, and its natural probiotics support gut health, improving nutrient absorption and reducing inflammation. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugar, and top it with chia seeds, nuts, or berries for a balanced, muscle-friendly meal. Sweet potatoes, energy that lasts. If you want a satisfying, long-lasting source of morning energy, try sweet potatoes. Unlike processed cereals or pastries that spike and crash your blood sugar, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that deliver steady energy throughout the day. They are also rich in potassium, for smooth muscle contractions, magnesium, to relax muscles after activity, vitamin C, to support collagen production for healthy muscles, tendons, and blood vessels. For best results, steam sweet potatoes and add a pinch of natural mineral salt to restore trace minerals lost overnight. Pair them with eggs or Greek yogurt for a balanced meal that supports strength and recovery. What to avoid. What you don't eat in the morning is just as important as what you do. Avoid processed meats like bacon or sausage. They add harmful fats and sodium that increase inflammation and strain the heart. Sugary cereals, pastries, or instant oatmeal packets. They cause sharp blood sugar spikes and leave you feeling sluggish. Breakfast bars and shakes, marketed as healthy but lacking the protein and nutrients your muscles need. Consistency builds strength. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. By starting your day with nutrient-rich foods like eggs, oats with chia seeds, bananas, Greek yogurt, and sweet potatoes, you build a strong foundation for muscle repair, steady energy, and better balance. Together, these foods stop overnight muscle breakdown, provide lasting energy, support nerve health and coordination, improve nutrient absorption, keep you hydrated and steady each morning. Gives you a choice. Continue habits that quietly weaken your muscles, or fuel your body for strength and independence. A simple, balanced breakfast, like boiled eggs, oatmeal with chia, half a banana, a cup of Greek yogurt, or a small steamed sweet potato, can mean the difference between confidence and frailty. The first hour of your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Make it count, and you'll give your body its best chance to stay strong, steady, and independent for years to come.